Hey, my people, see man, the way they dance like this, they dance like this, they dance like this. Let me tell you, now Falana, the Falana family, or family Falana, I don't know. Una don hear say court use Ubudia. Now don't take call Ubudia for Benin. He get one better cane, put all of them together, he play it like this, be like broom. They don't use a beat Falana come for court. In favor of VDM. Old papa we don't know himself. Now disgrace till they enter house. Yes, I would like people follow VDM sing this our Christian music we in carry console for the celebration or rather jubilation, because we tell a bad that time say where you they dance they go so you go who do a passe in all here. Watch what VDM got to say on this.
All right, as you can see on People's Gazette, alleged defamation. Court strikes out Falana's suit against Instagram activist VDM. Shouldn't be Instagram activist again. Well, all I can say is, angels are singing. You are good. You are good. You are good. Angels are singing. You are good. You are good. You are good. Coco B, join me to sing this song. Angels are singing. You are good. You are good. You are good. Angels are singing. Oh, you are good.
Oh, Father Lord, le pasakata bradi. Give the Lord a wiper, somebody.
Give the Lord a wiper.
Give the Lord a
so
wiper.
that he will wipe your tears away.
Hey, evangelist.
Give the Lord a wiper. So that he will wipe your tears away. Angels are singing.
You are good.
You are good. Angels are singing. You are good.
You are good.
Father Lord, by the grace of God, you have done it well. We'll proceed to the next one. That's the only one I can say. But I believe that as I stand by truth, the truth will stand by me. My Bible made me to understand. In John 11:35.
And he says, say to
Jesus wept.
For the life too much of the land.
Because of the lies of the land. If you open deep down in Psalm 23, verse 1.
And he said,
And he says,
tell him, Psalm 23. Psalm 23.
Psalm 23, he said,
You are victorious.
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want.
He maketh
me to lie down in green pastures.
He leadeth me
beside the still water.
He resurrects my soul.
For his name's sake.
For even though I walk to the valley
Oh!
of the shadow
Angels are singing!
You are good.
You are good, eh?
You are good.
Ah!
You are good.
You are good.
You are good.
Coco, the Spirit just ministered to me. I should lay my hands on you.
Akakabrata.
Coco B.
Talk to me. Talk to me.
I see two things.
Tell me.
Greatness.
The meaning is, what is great is next.
What is great?
It's next. It's next. Oh, for the Lord.
Somebody put your hand on your chest and repeat after me.
God.
This year 2025. 555, like the video album that is coming out.
555 like stainless plates. Stainless.
Take me go
to the place
where there is grace.
Grace, more grace.
More grace.
More grace to make enemies grace.
This song will they sing now?
I don't know.
That's what we say. You see, I'm telling you that the children of this postmodernism cannot be intimidated and get away with it just like that. What do I know? We will also extensively talk about this on our live broadcast tonight, 7 p.m. Join us every day on NAIJA Media. We talk every day, 7 p.m. and we express our concern, pour out our plight on what is happening in Nigeria. Take care, guys, and bye for now.